Hey everyone, Urzum here and welcome to the channel. Tonight we're diving headfirst into the great cosmic ocean out there, seeking out new worlds, strange new worlds, worlds that might just be able to support life as we know it. We're talking about exoplanets, folks, planets that orbit other stars. Yeah, you heard me right. We've got thousands upon thousands of these exotic worlds out there just waiting to be discovered, and tonight, we're going to visit 5 of the most promising candidates for a second home for humanity. So strap in, engage those warp drives, because things are about to get astronomically interesting. First up, we're going to visit our nearest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri, just a hop, skip, and a jump away at a mere 4 light-years from Earth. Okay, maybe not a hop, skip, and a jump, but in cosmic terms, practically next door. Now, orbiting this red dwarf star, we find Proxima Centauri b, a rocky world a smidgen larger than our own. And get this planet sits right smack dab in the habitable zone. Yeah, you heard me right. That means there's a chance it could have liquid water on its surface. Liquid water, people, the elixir of life. Now, we still don't know a whole lot about Proxima Centauri b. Its atmosphere, for example, is still a big mystery. But hey, that's part of the excitement, right? What if it's a world covered in lush alien jungles? Or maybe it's got vast oceans teeming with strange and wonderful creatures. Who knows? That's the beauty of it all. We're talking about endless possibilities here. Next up, we're blasting off to Kepler 452b, a planet that's earned the nickname Earth 2.0 for a reason. This place is eerily similar to our own home planet in terms of its size, and it orbits a star very much like our own sun at a distance that puts it right smack dab in, you guessed it, the habitable zone. Now Kepler 452b is a bit older than Earth, about 6 billion years old. That means life, if it exists there, has had plenty of time to evolve. I'm talking complex life, people, maybe even intelligent life. Imagine that, a planet with oceans and continents just like ours, but inhabited by beings far beyond our own level of development. What would their technology be like, their art, their philosophy? It boggles the mind. And the best part, Kepler 452b is only about 1,400 light-years away, which is relatively close in galactic terms. Now hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to enter the Trappist 1 system, a system that's absolutely teeming with potentially habitable planets. But today, we're focusing on one particular planet in this system that's got scientists buzzing with excitement, Trappist 1e. This planet is just about the size of Earth, and it orbits its star, a cool red dwarf, in the habitable zone. But here's the really exciting part. Trappist 1e is close enough to its siblings that you could theoretically travel between them using technology not too far beyond what we have today. Imagine that. A solar system where you could hop from one habitable planet to the next, each one with its own unique environments and life forms. It'd be like an interplanetary safari, and who knows, maybe one day, we'll have the technology to make that dream a reality. Now let's journey to LHS 1140b, a planet that's about 7 times more massive than Earth. Now I know what you're thinking, a super-Earth? Wouldn't the gravity be crushing? Well, maybe not. You see, LHS 1140b orbits very close to its star, a red dwarf much cooler and smaller than our sun. But here's the kicker, LHS 1140b is thought to be a rocky planet with a dense iron core, which means it could potentially hold onto a massive atmosphere. And that atmosphere, my friends, could be the key to life. Think about it, a thick atmosphere could protect life on the surface from harmful radiation and help regulate the planet's temperature. Plus, who doesn't love a good sunset? And with an atmosphere that dense, you can bet the sunsets on LHS 1140b would be absolutely epic. Last but not least, we arrive at Gliese 667 cc, another super-Earth that's captured the attention of astronomers worldwide. Now this planet is about 4 times more massive than Earth and orbits a red dwarf star that's part of a triple star system. Yeah, you heard that right, 3 stars, talk about a spectacular view. But here's what makes Gliese 667 cc so intriguing. It's located right smack dab in the habitable zone of its star, meaning it could potentially have liquid water on its surface. And where there's water, as we all know, there's the potential for life. Now some scientists believe that Gliese 667 cc might be tidally locked to its star, meaning one side of the planet always faces the star, while the other side is shrouded in perpetual darkness. But hey, even if that's the case, It just adds another layer of intrigue to this already fascinating world. Just imagine the possibilities: a planet with a scorching hot day side, a freezing cold night side, and a narrow band of twilight in between where life could flourish. How cool is that? So there you have it, folks. 5 incredible exoplanets that could potentially be home to life beyond Earth. It's enough to make you realize just how vast and mysterious our universe truly is, isn't it? And to think, these are just a tiny fraction of the billions upon billions of planets that are out there waiting to be discovered. So the next time you find yourself gazing up at the night sky, take a moment to ponder the infinite possibilities that exist out there among the stars. Who knows what wonders are waiting to be uncovered? The universe is our oyster, people, and it's up to us to explore it. Thank you all so much for joining me on this cosmic adventure. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, keep looking up.